Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I already did the unboxing of this, but I wanted to show you guys because I told you I'm using it strictly for my saltwater fish tank. If you see my other videos, I have a 40 breeder and I also have a 60 breeder now. Anyway, so all the blue, usually all blue, I get brushes, containers, or I try to keep everything blue. To the fish tank only. This way, if my girlfriend's here and she's cleaning or anyone's cleaning or whatever, they don't put, chemicals and bleach and stuff like that, because you only need one little mishap and then you could have a crash in your tank. All right, so I just wanted to show you exactly pretty much the plan for me to use this. I am going to use this to clean the filter. I'm not going to do a review on that because that never gets that dirty. So here's pretty much what I'm planning to clean. As you can see, this is my problem. I use very cheap salt, reef, instant ocean reef crystals, which, as everybody knows, that's the cheapest salt you can get on the market. But when you're poor and you still want to have fish, you know what I mean, this is the way to go. Sorry to say. 2 months of water changes, so that's how much that is, because I fill this up, whatever. But anyway, this is what's up. So I already poured some vinegar in there because I didn't want to have to scrub too hard, so I put some white vinegar in there, and that's why it's a little brown. So that's gonna, the acid from the white vinegar will eat the will at least break down the mineral deposits or whatever that crap is that comes out of that salt water. So we're going to use the brush. We're going to clean this up right here. I'm going to pour some hot water in here, though. I'm going to let it sit just to let you know, so you guys don't think whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm just letting you know the whole review. I'm going to put some hot water in here with some vinegar. I'm going to let it sit for 5-10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back, do a review on me scrubbing it. But that's kind of what it looks like. It looked a lot worse, it looked a lot worse, 10 minutes ago, but I forgot to do the video. As you can see, the vinegar is very dark. All right, so this is what it looks like after 15 minutes of sitting with vinegar and some hot water, so you guys can see. And I'm gonna give that a scrub with my brush, with my new brush, and let's see what it looks like, and rinse that real quick and get this done. Alright, so I'm pretty much done scrubbing with just the vinegar mix. I'm gonna give it rinse. I'm gonna rinse this thing out real quick so you can get a better view of what it looks like, because the water was dirty as hell. Alright, so that's what it looks like right now. It did a pretty good job. I mean, it got the sides clean really easily. The bottom, you would not have gotten that clean without using vinegar or chemical, or any kind of anything to break it down. So this brush is great probably for just dishes, because they're if you're using it for dishes, the food's fresh on it, so with some hot water and that, it'll scrub right off. Anything sitting, you're gonna have to use some kind of solution to break it down, but then the brush works great. Honestly, this is probably the cleanest I can get it without using like a Brillo and scratching the actual canister. So as you can see, I already scratched it by trying to clean it before. So that's probably the hardest bristle brush you could probably use without scratching it, because you don't really want to scratch it, because if you scratch it, that's where bacteria can build up, and then I'm not going to worry about it because it's salt water, so it's going to kill the bacteria. All right, so that's kind of the cleanest, like I said, you can expect it to get. And that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on me using the brush. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures. I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. Bye.